The Audax Hydration Harness, you know and love, has gone through 4 updates. I'm going to show you what the 4 updates are now. So number 1 is the rear suspender attachment point. This is now easier to locate and clip into behind your back with our upgraded attachment loop. It's now taller, tapered, and stands proud of the back panel, making it easier to clip into. Number 2, we've updated the bike valve, which delivers more water per sip and has an even easier twist on and twist off tap mechanism. It also features a quick release, making it even easier to replace the bike valve. Number 3, we've updated the drinking hose retainers. It's now easier to locate the drinking hose on your shoulder straps with the velcro hose keepers. And number 4, our new suspender design was rolled out about a year ago. They're easier to use and they're stronger with an updated strap keeper to keep the tails out of the way. These updated features are on both the Audax Black and Orange and the Audax High Vis, and obviously it still comes with the chest tether priming SRT. And both of these Audaxes are available from your local recoil dealers, or head to recoil.com and check out our dealers section. Thanks very much, guys.